in our garden, we have a variety of mints, and I do this deliberately to show that even in one item alone, how much how much choice Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given. So you've got your Moroccan mint, your chocolate mint, your lemon mint, your peppermint, your berries and cream mint, your apple mint, your pineapple mint, your basil mint, and your ginger mint. And if I find another, I will put that in the garden. Islam is about aiming towards peace, and Islam and nature is at peace because it has already submitted to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's will. So by keeping people outdoors, it helps them remove from this processed life we live of buildings and structures and technology. And unless the phone is being used to take photos of the plants, I like I just think this process society is acting like a screen and filtering our connections, and people not just, they've acquired the cars, they've acquired the aspirations of worldly material, screens, but it isn't giving them the peace. And Islam is aiming towards peace. So just go to the learning book of where peace is being displayed, which is nature and outdoors. In the Quran, it's listed that we are a component of clay. We were made from clay. And when you're actually working with the soil, you naturally feel that calmness. The body is just known. It came from soil. It's going to get returned to soil. We already now know that we've got components of plastic within us. That's one question we're going to have to answer. We came from clay. Where did the plastic come from? Not only have we put it in the soil and the sea, we've put it within ourselves and the next generation. That's a big question to ask. So it's a duty of care. It's a duty of responsibility to actually say we cannot entrust our options to others. Garden is a reflection of the people. It's not about the garden. It has never been about the garden. It has been about the people. And it's been that shout out of, let's just stop and see what gives us joy, what really connects, and who we really are.